Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to upgrade RAM in MSI laptop. Flip the laptop over a flat clean surface to access the back cover. Remove the battery cover by unscrewing all the screws with the help of screwdriver. Locate the RAM slot. Remove the existing RAM. If you are replacing an exist module, gently push the clip on either side of the RAM stick to release it. Pull it out at 45-degree angle. Take your new RAM stick and align it with the slot. Ensure that the notch on the RAM matches with the key in the slot. Insert it at 45-degree angle and then press it down until you hear a click indicating that it is secure in place. Replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into the place and reinsert all the screw to screw the back cover. Flip your laptop back over and plug it on. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.